In the metals quadrant today, silver up over 1%, only slightly over 1%, finishing near the highs at about 17.15, low of about 16.33. It's interesting because gold wasn't up that much today, and silver really has been stronger than gold since the lows of late May. You go back to those lows, actually it was mid-May that those lows were formed, and gold's up 20% since then, about 20.3%. Silver's up over 22%. A lot of that having to do with the gold-silver ratio. It's not necessarily because silver is cheaper to buy per ounce, but that is part of it. Generally, when gold starts to rally and the price gets a little expensive for the general public to buy an ounce of gold, they start to buy silver, but also the gold-silver ratio, which historically runs around 50 or 60, and that's the ratio of ounces of silver it takes to buy 1 ounce of gold. Right now it's at about 88. It reached a high of about 93. That 93 high is the highest level since 1991, and right now we're still hovering around the highest level for the gold-silver ratio since 1993. So there is a reason to think potentially, it's not a done deal, but potentially that silver could continue to outperform gold to try and close that gap a little bit and get closer to where the historical level of the gold-silver ratio is. Also, a seasonal pickup mid-August usually brings a small rally in silver. If you trade commodities and you don't watch seasonalities, you're missing out on a major part that could potentially move prices with all else equal. Right now, we have seasonality that shows a sell-off to mid-August. Didn't really get that in silver, so it didn't really match up with about 20 years of seasonality, but on the way back out, so it usually goes up from August to about mid-September, from mid-August to about mid-September. So if that seasonality plays out, you could get all of that resulting in a pretty strong move for silver.